Welcome to aminacademy.com. In science and technology, let us discuss about growing improvements of spinal cord. Spinal cord injury (SCI) is a complex, multifaceted, progressive, and yet incurable complications that can cause irreversible damage to the individual, family, and society. In recent years, strategies for the management and rehabilitation of SCI, besides axonal regeneration, remyelination, and neuronal plasticity of the injured spinal cord, have significantly improved. Spinal cord injury (SCI) is defined as the impairment in the brainstem cortex and spinal neurons between the ascending and descending neural pathways, leading to a loss in sensory motor functions. The spinal cord is a tubular network comprised of nerves tissue which prolongs from the brainstem and keeps distally before the narrowing at the lower thoracic or upper lumbar zone as the conus medullaris. The surroundings cerebrospinal fluids (CFI) protects the spinal cord. The spinal cord length in human is about 45 centimeter in males and 43 centimeter in females. The spinal cord covers the cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and coccygeal segments by the total 31 nerve root segments. The spinal cord disorders may include infections, for example, meningitis, vascular injuries, development anomalies, like that. Now we'll discuss further detail about growing improvement of spinal cord. While fully severe spinal cord cannot naturally regenerate, scientists are actively researching methods to improve nerve regrowth and improve spinal cord functions after injury. This includes exploring stem cell therapies, using growth factors, and manipulating scar tissues to create a more permissive environment for nerve growth. Here are some more details. Look at the current research. Stem cell therapies. Stem cells, particularly neural stem cells, hold promise for repairing damaged spinal cord tissues. Researchers are investigating ways to induce stem cells to differentiate into functional nerve cells and integrate into the injured area. Growth factors. Certain growth factors can stimulate nerve cell growth and axon regenerations. Scientists are exploring ways to deliver these growth factors to the injured spinal cord to encourage nerve regrowth. Scar tissue manipulation. Scar tissue can act as a barrier to nerve regrowth. Research is focusing on identifying and neutralizing inhibitory molecules in the scar tissue to create a more permissive environment for nerve growth. Animal models. Studies in animal models like zebrafish have shown that the spinal cord can regenerate in certain species. Scientists are studying this model to understand the underlying mechanisms of regenerative and how to apply them to humans. Transparency therapy. Researchers are also developing methods to make the spinal cord transparent, allowing for clearer visualization of nerve growth and the effects of treatments. Next, lab growth spinal cord. Scientists have successfully grown lab grown spinal cord models to study early human development and spinal birth defects, offering new insights into spinal cord formation and potential treatment for developmental disorders. In summary, we can say that while a completely severe spinal cord cannot regenerate naturally, researchers are actively working on various approaches to promote nerve regrowth and improve spinal cord functions, including stem cell therapies, growth factor stimulation, and scar tissue manipulation. So far, we discussed little about growing improvements of spinal cord treatment. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.